Yeah, we got approached by Flexfuel, obviously a hydrogen carbon engine cleaning machine. They came in, did a demonstration for us, which was actually done on my own van. Done a lot of work on the van, changed the turbo, EGR, clutch, flywheel, cam belt kit, water pump. The van ran beautifully. They ran a demonstration on my van. Took the van out for a drive afterwards. I could immediately feel the effects. The van ran smoother, quieter, more responsive, just like a different van. There's lots of benefits, obviously. I mean, it's good for the environment. We've proven on various vehicles that we've done that have been horrendous MOT emissions failures that the cars run cleaner, so they're better for the environment after the process has been done. The customer's going to get better returns of miles per gallon on the vehicle, and obviously it's a revenue stream. You know, we can put it on as an additional service that is good for the business. So we're averaging around one a day. Some days we'll do 3 or 4. Some days we may do none. You know, but we're talking to customers about it all the time. We're getting regular, strong feedback from the customers that, you know, the process is good. And we've obviously got the confidence to be promoting it and selling it. You know, we're happy with it. One of the other factors which I was very interested in was the fact that it's got the EGR pilot on, so we can connect it in. You know, subject to accessibility, we can connect it directly to the EGR on the vehicle. It just goes into the air intake, feeds the hydrogen into the engine through the intake. It's very quick and easy to set up. Once the process has been started, you know, the engineer can then go and carry on and do other jobs. So it's not a labour-intensive process by any shadow of the imagination.
I drive an Audi A4 S-Line and it's done 130,000 miles. I noticed that the car was a bit sluggish, and I was offered the treatment, and immediately afterwards I noticed that it was far more responsive and quieter. The turbo noise reduced considerably, and there was a great improvement in fuel consumption.
We're a family-run business. My dad started in 1974. I came to work when I was 18, so a long time ago now. But yeah, we're going on. We've moved on from heavy goods to light commercials to passenger cars, light vehicle. So we do everything and anything we can. It's very important to keep engine clean. We've always flushed cars when we've done oil services using oil flush. When I first saw Flexfuel, they came round and demoed on a vehicle. The results we got on the cars we demoed on were really good. And I was thinking, yeah, we'll get him back. And then I went to a Point S show and they were there, so I got talking to him again. And he came up and he said he'll come up and demo one car, and I got him to do 5 while he were here. And the customers came back and all said it was superb. Fuel economy, mid-range power, everything they said it'd do, it did. And made a massive difference. One of the lads put it on his own vehicles and he's now getting an extra 10 miles per gallon in his fuel economy, and on an Audi A3 1.9 diesel. So yeah, we've had some great results. Everybody says how good it is once they've had it done. We're through Point S at the Point S national show. That's when I got talking to them properly, and I could see they were a reputable firm and a big firm. And when they involved with Point S, like everybody else that is involved with Point S, it's all top suppliers, all good stuff that we're dealing with. Right, so connecting the machines is a relatively simple process. Getting access to the air intake and removing one of the air pipes, like so. Then we'll put this pipe from the machine in there, into the air pipe. This one is the EGR pilot, which would locate the EGR valve, and then it cycles the EGR valve, cleaning it as it goes. So you find the EGR valve and connect that in. We'll just pop it there for now, and then we'll start the vehicle, start the machine going. It's got we've got 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes. The best one obviously is 90 minutes. The longer it goes, the better it is. So that's what we're tending to do on most, time allowing. Then with the engine running, the machine's cycling the EGR valve. It's sucking the hydroclean through the intake, cleaning out all the carbon, intake manifold, EGR valve, off the valves, off everything, the whole system. So yeah, and just leave it to run now, do its job.